How hormonal imbalance affect your skin? Hello friends. Today we're discussing a topic that causes confusion for many. Hormonal imbalance. Do you know what hormonal imbalance is and its connection with your skin? What is hormonal imbalance? Hormonal imbalance occurs when your hormone levels are not balanced. Our body has various hormones like androgen, estrogen, and progesterone that affect skin health. Hormonal changes and their impact on skin. When hormonal changes occur, they affect your skin in multiple ways. Increased androgen levels lead to excess oil production, clogged pores, and acne. Identifying hormonal skin issues. Let's discuss common signs that indicate hormonal skin issues. Acne around the mouth, throat, and jawline. Painful cystic pimples. Sudden changes in skin texture or oiliness, causes of hormonal imbalance. 1. Stress. Stress increases cortisol levels and disturbing other hormones. 2. Diet. Consuming sugar and processed foods disrupts hormone balance. 3. Lack of sleep. Lack of sleep affects hormone levels, leading to skin issues. If you're experiencing these issues, it might be a sign of hormonal imbalance. Share your thoughts in the comments. Hit the bell icon to subscribe my channel for more health updates.